computer. Okay. Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here this morning. As usual, this week 2, day 1 session we'll be recording for archive and also posting on our social media. So, how's everybody doing? Okay. Cindy, I can't see you. Alex, I can't see you. Angela, I can't see you. And Merida and others, I can't see you guys. Please make sure. Ça marche? Je ne t'ai pas allumé. Il faut l'allumer. Okay. How you guys doing? Good? Happy for the second week? Okay, good deal. This week number 2, day 1, we're going to essentially start talking about the software. The software, donc les applications qui permettent de complete specific tasks. That's the big days. But let's go back to our normal agenda and proceed as usual. And we will take out the attendance and then have the opening prayer, check video name, and so on. So let's quickly take the attendance and ask for a volunteer to lead us in the prayer. Okay, we see the attendance sheet, right? Okay. Today is Saturday, 11. Let's go. Alex?
Oui.
All right. That's one. Then Heaven. Okay. Marina. Okay. Ange. Okay. Then Angela.
Here.
Okay. Cindy. Okay. All right. And Okade.
Here.
Awesome. Thank you. So we have a full house, which is good. Okay. Go back to the agenda. Now, a volunteer to lead us into the opening prayer, please. Quelqu'un qui veut bien prier pour nous ce matin? Marina, can you pray for us?
Can you repeat, please, Mr. Altoz?
Yeah, please, can you pray for us? Just a short prayer to open the session. Juste une petite courte prière.
Oui.
Yes, Marina. Que ce soit en français, en anglais, ça dépend de toi.
En français. Bonjour à tous. J'espère que vous allez bien. Je souhaite remercier monsieur présent pour nous apprendre l'informatique et tout ça. Je remercie aussi chaque élève d'écouter pendant les cours et de participer. Et merci au prof de répéter, peu importe les difficultés, si on ne comprend pas anglais comme français. C'est tout. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Then there is one part that I'm missing. For Canadian, yeah, I understand. But for us here, this the Pledge of Allegiance. Who knows about the Pledge of Allegiance? Mostly Americans. Okay, that's good. Who else knows about the Pledge of Allegiance apart from Cindy? Good, good. So we got to practice it because during the graduation ceremony, we're going to add it to the delivery or to the deliverable. Okay, so we're going to practice it. Maybe next session and. Full names are okay. We fix it. The camera is good. Okay. Announce the topics of to be covered today. Yeah, this is always my favorite. So let's go to week 2, day 1. As you guys can see, it's going to be a very, very busy session. Very, very busy session, right? So what are we going to be talking about today? We're going to be talking about the software. Last week we studied the hardware inside the case or the box and outside the case. So today or these 2 days we will be talking about the software. Go ahead. Unmutana, go ahead. Mary.
Je me suis dit que le devoir, on n'avait pas pris ça en classe, donc là, c'est du temps de mélanger ça.
Pardon?
Que le devoir, on n'avait pas appris ça en classe, donc là, j'ai pas pu mélanger.
OK. Le deuxième devoir? Okay, we're going to get there. We're going to get there. So I was saying, we're going to study what is the software these 2 days and adding to what we learned last week, hardware. So it's going to be a busy session, as you can see here. What is the... Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de la deuxième partie, hein? C'est-à-dire que la semaine dernière, tous les 2 jours, nous avons étudié les composantes externes de l'ordinateur et internes. Cette fois-ci, cette semaine, nous allons parler du deuxième élément très important pour le computer et les séances de la technologie de l'information. C'est quoi? C'est les applications. Et le matériel est là, mais si tu n'as pas les applications, le matériel ne pourra pas fonctionner. Donc, nous allons maintenant étudier les différents types d'applications qui existent dans en système informatique et de la technologie de l'information. Nous allons étudier également le rôle de chaque élément et maintenant mettre cela ensemble avec la première partie que nous avons étudiée la semaine dernière. OK? So, we will define what is computer software, definition, type, example, and differences. We're going to use the video one. Then the operating software for a computer and also for the mobile devices. So we see the utility software, antivirus, backup, disk management, file management, and so on. Application software, definition, example, specific function, area of application, then Microsoft Word application, we will use Word and also Outlook, which is a emailing application. We see how we can configure it and how we use it. Programming language, everything we do in software or whatever we have as a software or application is because somebody wrote the code and using a certain coding language. We will see the difference and so on. Then after that, we now be seeing how the computer, just the software, the hardware, cannot do anything without the software. And we see the role of the software. Donc, nous allons étudier aujourd'hui les types d'applications qui permettent de fonctionner l'ordinateur. On a les applications, le système d'exploitation, et puis les antivirus, les applications pour les textes, Et puis, pour les emails, le courrier qu'on utilise avec les courriels. Et puis, nous allons aussi parler de la programmation en informatique. Qu'est-ce que le code? Et puis, quelle est la relation entre tout ceci, le code, le langage de code, et ce qu'on entend par les applications. Euh, et voilà ce que nous avons couvert. Et comme j'ai dit, ce sera une session très, très dense. Et demain, nous allons continuer avec d'autres éléments dont on parlera demain. So, une question, any question so far? Okay, if you're good, thumbs up, and thank you, Cindy. Now, what is okay? The break, yeah, sometimes it's heavy. If we do 1 hour, we add the 5 plus 5 like we did last time, make it a 10-minute break. So it's the same thing, nothing changed. For the quiz, we still have a quiz today and tomorrow, then homework today and tomorrow. But that will be the end for this session for the quiz and homework. Then now, moving forward next third week, we will go to the projects. And even before next week, this week we have to have a session, a practice session between you guys. And I will be just there to watch so that we practice 1, 2, 3 things that we learned during the 2 weeks. Donc, aujourd'hui, nous allons toujours avoir le devoir quiz, comme on l'appelle, et puis le deuxième devoir homework, comme on l'appelle. Et après, demain, ce sera également la même chose, devoir quiz, devoir homework. Et ce sera tout. À partir de la semaine prochaine, troisième semaine et la dernière, nous allons maintenant parler des projets. Mais avant la dernière semaine, la troisième semaine, la semaine prochaine, vous devrez avoir une rencontre entre vous, les étudiants, pour traiter un sujet que je vais donner en vous connectant sur le Zoom. Et je serai en classe, mais je ne serai pas là pour parler. Le chef de classe qu'on va désigner va coordonner cette activité. OK? So that's it. The same thing. Please don't talk when the video is playing. Take notes because we use those notes to do the homework. Any question? No? Okay. Let's go to the first thing. The first thing is to review week 1, day 2, quiz and homework. All right. I heard some complaint that we didn't cover it. For sure, we cover it. I may be wrong, but for sure, we cover it. All right. So let me open and share week 1, day 2. OK. Nous allons corriger le devoir de la deuxième journée. OK. C'est-à-dire que la première semaine, deuxième journée, quiz et homework. Et c'est Mérina qui disait qu'on n'a pas vu. OK. C'est Mérina ou c'était Heaven or Ange?
Merci avec sa parole ici.
Hein?
Ah,
Ange, OK. Bon, is it the horror? This is week 2. It's not what you need to share. Let me go to the right one. That's week 1. Week 1. Just the middle of dawn. Give me some time to check this one here. Oh, give me a minute. Let me open the right file. And week 1. Okay, week 1, the one quiz. Okay, that's the right one. Where's the sharing button here? All right. Okay, can we see week 1, day 2 quiz? You got it? All right. So we cover last week the outside part of the computer. And we've talked about the inject, we talked about internet, connection using cables. I think so. And true, false. Well, let correct it and we should be good. All right, let's go to the first question. Pay attention and give me the answer. How is a monitor connected to the computer? We have a motherboard, internet, hard drive, SSD, graphic card, and power supplies and cable. Go ahead. Go ahead, Marina.
J'allais répondre à la question.
Nous sommes en train de corriger le premier devoir de la deuxième journée de la semaine dernière. Yeah. Donc, la semaine dernière, le deuxième jour, c'est ce devoir que nous sommes en train de corriger avant maintenant de commencer la session de ce matin. Donc, la première question, c'était cela. Comment est-ce qu'on connecte l'écran à l'unité centrale? Est-ce que c'est à partir de motherboard, Internet card, and so on, jusqu'à cable?
Non, c'est pas ça.
Oui, je pense, Mérina, celle qui est au milieu, c'est Mérina, c'est elle qui avait soulevé la main d'abord. Allons-y.
Celle qui est au milieu, c'est moi.
Go ahead, vas-y. But how do we connect the motherboard monitor to the computer? Cable, très bien. So we use the cable, that's good. Now, the monitor is the primary output component of the computer. Donc, le moniteur, c'est l'élément principal pour avoir la visibilité du contenu de l'ordinateur. True or false? Okaide, I saw your hand earlier.
True.
True. Good. Question number 3.
Monsieur.
Oui, Alex. Alex. Je t'écoute.
C'est que j'ai pas fait le devoir, j'ai pas fait le quiz, mais j'ai fait l'autre devoir
du week 1 des tout. Parce
Pourquoi?
que je ne savais pas qu'il y avait un quiz.
Non, 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 non.
J'ai seulement fait le devoir.
Alex, Alex, you know
Oui.
it pretty good. I don't accept excuses here. Hein? Je n'accepte pas les excuses en termes de ne pas faire le devoir here. Je n'accepte pas ça parce que c'est ça qui va constituer ta note de sortie à la fin de la semaine.
Non, mais je sais, si vous voulez, je peux faire, mais
Voilà.
parce que je n'avais pas vu le devoir. Parce que
Écoute
moi,
encore.
ça datait de juillet.
Jouer, c'est la date de création. Ce n'est pas. J'ai expliqué ça à papa. Le fichier a été créé en juillet pour la première session et c'est le même fichier qu'on utilise. Et j'ai bien spécifié quand tu entres dans le Google Classroom de Altoz, ce que tu cherches là-bas, ce n'est pas le mois de la création, c'est le titre du devoir. Week 1, Day 1, quiz. Week 1, Day 1, homework. That's what we are looking for. It's not the date that the file has been created.
Parce que j'ai
OK?
seulement fait le homework de. En
Voilà.
fait,
Je te corrige
j'ai tout fait sauf.
aujourd'hui. À la fin du cours, all right?
J'ai tout
Fais
fait sauf
cela. Yes, et tu soumets. Maintenant, pour cette semaine, pour cette journée, ne regarde pas la date de création du fichier, regarde le titre du fichier. Et j'ai envoyé des messages aux parents pour cela. Et tu es l'unique qui n'a pas fait cela. Ce n'est pas normal.
Non,
Et
mais
j'ai expliqué.
j'ai tout fait sauf
Alex,
le. Oui.
listen. Écoute. OK? J'ai déjà compris ce que tu as dit. Tu as fait, tu as oublié. Je n'accepte pas d'excuses. On ne s'étend pas là-dessus. À la
Non,
fin
mais
de la session, tu vas faire ce devoir de week 1, day 2, quiz, et tu m'envoies. Parce
est-ce
que je
que je peux
devrais
le
y
faire
arriver.
maintenant?
OK?
Est-ce que je peux faire maintenant?
Pas maintenant. J'ai dit à la fin du cours. Ça veut dire que tu as 3 devoirs maintenant à faire. Pas maintenant. Il faut suivre le cours. Parce que après cela, tu vas dire que j'étais en train de faire le devoir. Voilà pourquoi je n'avais pas suivi. Non. Tu te rattrapes après le cours. Donc, tu as 3 devoirs à me soumettre. OK?
Ok.
Thank you. So, the following, that was question number 3. The following, okay, good. The following are the type of printer commonly used in the household and office. 2 answers only. Who is going? Oh, voici les 2 exemples voici les exemples de 2 imprimantes qu'on utilise communément dans les maisons et les bureaux. Maintenant, on a listé tout un certain nombre d'imprimantes et d'options de réponse qui nous donnent la vraie réponse, c'est-à-dire que les 2 types d'imprimantes qu'on utilise plus à la maison et dans les bureaux. Oui, vas-y. Unmute yourself.
You
Oui.
can inject and laser.
Yes, that's correct. Inkjet and laser are the 2 most common printer that we use in the office and in the house and office. Now, question number 4, the monitor has multiple ports from which it's connected to the computer using different type of cables, such as, go ahead. I saw your hand up first. Vas-y. Heaven? Uh-huh. Yeah. Go ahead. It's woman, go. Okay. So, is that correct? Anybody has something?
What was the
Go
question?
ahead. The question is the monitor, that's screen number 4. The monitor has multiple ports from which it's connected to the computer using different type of cables such as DVI, USB-C, DisplayPort, HDMI, VGA, and all of the above. Go ahead, Okadi.
Was it all of the above?
Yes, that's the right answer. All of the above. Because all these cables are different, goes with different port, and we use them to connect them to the computer or to the case or Central Processing Unit. Donc, le numéro 4, là, ça, c'est les différents types de câbles qu'on utilise pour connecter le moniteur à l'unité centrale. Et la réponse juste ici, c'est la dernière, all of the above. Parce que dépendant du type de port ou que tu as derrière l'unité centrale, tu peux utiliser le câble. Donc, ça vient avec chaque moniteur. Maintenant, the printer allow the ability to print text, image, and data into paper from the computer. True or false? Go ahead, Okadi.
True.
True, that's right. Number 6, the scanner is used to scan documents and transform them into digital format. True or false? Yes, go ahead, Angela.
True.
Good, that's true. Now, Q7- is the type of printer most used in home, and the print head move back and forth across the paper. Go ahead, I must say, Marina or Heaven. Go ahead, Heaven.
Laser.
That's right. No, not laser, not laser. That's not right. La tête d'impression fait le mouvement avant, arrière ou bien gauche, droite. Et pendant que ça fait ce mouvement-là, c'est en train d'écrire sur le papier. Quel est le type d'imprimante qui fait ce mouvement-là pendant l'impression? We go ahead, Heaven, I must say. No, Ange, I must say. Go ahead. Ouvre le micro, tu parles. Go ahead. C'est quelle imprimante?
Le nom?
Oui, le nom de l'imprimante qui fait des mouvements gauche-droite pendant que la tête d'impression. Hein? Which one?
Inject.
Yes, that's the right answer. Inject printer. Inject printer is the one that the print head move back and forth. What it moves back and forth is writing on the paper. Then Q9, the following are outside part of the computer, except, so we mix some, we have mouse, printer, scanner, monitor, speaker, keyboard, RAM. Where's Cindy at? Give me one answer here. The following are outside part of the computer, except you have the mouse, you have the printer, you have the scanner, monitor, speaker, keyboard, RAM.
G.
That's right. La RAM, that's right. So the RAM is what's the RAM stand for? Go ahead, Okade. RAM stand for what? What's the definition of RAM? RAM stand for
Random access memory.
correct. Random access memory. Thank you. Very good. So that is the part of the inside part of the computer. Thank you, Cindy. Q number 9, the speaker output produced is donc le résultat ou bien ce qu'on entend du baffle. Du baffle, c'est un audio, c'est un imprimé, c'est la carte graphique, c'est SSD, none of the above. Qui n'a pas encore parlé là-bas? OK, vas-y. Yes. No, not Marina, but Heaven, I think so.
But it's audio.
Yes, the audio. Thank you. So the speaker output producer is audio because we hear the sound, not any other element. The last question, the common type of scanners are flatbed, sheet fed, handheld, drum, and all of the above. Go ahead, Angela.
All of the above.
All the above. Good. So that is the answer for that. I know on this part here, the Q4, effectively, you got to do some search to have it. But when you check it, all these are type of cable, and we all know that the monitor is connected to the central processing unit through a cable, right? So, any question, any comment on this? Yes, go ahead.
C'est que moi, j'ai fait le devoir, j'ai 8 sur 10 pour le devoir. Le problème, c'est que mon téléphone, je pense qu'il avait un problème, donc il m'a donné le devoir que tu vas lui donner aujourd'hui. Et je l'ai fait aujourd'hui. Mais les questions que aujourd'hui on a fait, j'ai compris. Donc, c'est pas si grave que ça.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, s'il y a une question qu'on we're going to go back, we're going to check, there's a video on the monitor that we're going to watch also, that gives you all the answer, but when you answer, quand tu réponds à une question et que tu trouves que, bon, voilà, dans mes notes, je n'ai pas ça, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Tu fais un peu de recherche, n'est-ce pas? Et la recherche consiste à taper cette question peut-être dans Google ou bien dans AI, une application pour voir si ça peut te générer la réponse. Pour la plupart, ça te génère la réponse parce que tout ceci, c'est des connaissances bien populaires. Okay? So, that's good. And everybody received the feedback who submitted the homework. I sent the correction and everything out already. Yes, Okadi?
Like for me, I didn't know what the SSD was because last time we played it, I didn't catch it, so I just Googled it.
Awesome. Yeah, SSD is, who can define it for her? SSD. Yeah, go ahead, Angela.
Solid state drive.
Solid state drive. And what is that? Add some more comment, Angela. What is that?
The SSD is like a component of the computer, like inside the motherboard.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like more expensive, but it has the same purpose as like the hard drive.
Very good. Okay, you hear that? So it's the modern type of hard drive. The hard drive is a disk, rounded as we saw in the video, but the SSD is a flat part like the random access memory or RAM, but it's used to store more data on it the same way we store data on a hard drive. Now he has a double benefit, stored more large data, and also is faster than the hard drive because he has the same role as the RAM in terms of contributing to the speed of the computer. Okay, so that's those are the new technology, and remember what we said: when you need an information, the central processing unit, which is the brain of the computer, will go where? Will go to the hard drive or the SSD to get the information or the data that the user, who is you, requested, and put it where? For access and rapid access. Put it where? Yeah, go ahead, Okade.
In the RAM?
Yes, perfect. Put that information on the RAM. And then now you will see how the access to it will be easy because it will open the page. Let's say you are trying to play a video and then it's slow. You see that animation turning, that time is when the central processing unit is getting the information from hard drive where it's slow, has slow access to put it on the memory for you to have easy access. Any other question or comment? Okay, now let's finish the last one, okay? And get to the real today business. Homework. You all remember. Rappelez-vous, chaque jour, nous avons 2 devoirs. OK? Quand vous allez dans Altoz Google Class, qu'est-ce que vous recherchez? C'est le titre du devoir qui est le 8-1, le D2, c'est-à-dire que la première semaine, deuxième journée. Et cette première semaine, deuxième journée, là, sera soit le quiz ou le homework. Et c'est ça que tu cliques pour répondre. Après avoir fini le quiz, tu vas maintenant, tu cherches encore la première semaine, deuxième journée ou première journée, homework. Tu cliques dessus et tu réponds. So, this is the last one for week 1, day 2, homework. Name the 7 outside hardware component of the computer. Qui peut me donner 7 parties extérieures de l'ordinateur? Who raised the hand first? Cindy, go ahead.
Il peut citer 3.
Yeah, cite 3 et puis les autres complètes. That should be fine.
Mouse.
But in English, because our main language is, for us here in America, we speak English, okay? I'm mixing English for Canadian so that they will not be behind too much, all right? Because we are learning it in English. Let's go.
Mouse. Monitor.
Yes.
And keyboard.
Awesome. 3 more. Go ahead, Okadi.
The power button, top panel, and camera.
Awesome. That's for the laptop. Then give me last one. Ange. Une dernière partie des composantes extérieures de l'ordinateur. On veut 7. J'ai déjà 3, 6. 6.
The screen. The touchpad.
Yeah.
The optical drive.
Yeah. Good.
That's all?
Yeah, that should be good. Okay, awesome. Now, among the 7, select 3 of them and tell us about what you learned. Cindy spoke already. Okade spoke. Go ahead, Okade. Among all of the outside, select 3 and tell us what you learned. Just do 1 so that other student can do. Other student can complete.
I learned about the screen, and it's the part where it shows you like your images and stuff. So pictures, text messages.
Yes. Awesome. That's correct. No, 1 more. Who? Go ahead, Cindy. A different part.
Did you say keyboard? So
what did you learn about the keyboard?
Okay, so I learned that we use the keyboard to type words, to navigate.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, the keyboard is the one we use to type text, or that just send input to the computer, right? To the computer to type. That's good. Now, Alex, give me the last one outside part of the computer. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Alex, une partie de l'ordinateur, extérieur de l'ordinateur. Et qu'est-ce que tu as appris? Is Alex there? Alex.
Alex est parti au...
She's showing that he is there, but he's not. Okay. Alex, donne-moi une partie de l'ordinateur extérieur and let me know what you learn about that. Are you here? Alex? Okay. Who can answer quickly so that we can move forward? Go ahead, Angela.
We're on number 2, right?
Yeah, the number 2, the question number 2, just the last one. One outside part and what you learn from that.
Okay. So for the monitor, I learned about the monitor as like the primary, like the first thing you see when you look at a computer. So like the primary outward component.
Allô?
Yeah, go ahead, Angela. You have the floor.
And then the charging port, which is how like you charge the computer. So like it's like on the side of the computer. And then the mouse, which is how you control the computer.
Yeah. Awesome. Now, tell us among the 3, which one is your
Allô?
favorite? Oui, Alex? Go ahead.
Oui, c'est bon. Parce que je peux dire.
OK. La 3e et dernière question.
Allô?
Parmi les 3 parties que tu as faites, que tu as sélectionnées, choisis une des parts. Et puis,
Vous m'entendez?
tell me why is it your favorite? We are check on the screen. You see where we are. Regarde sur l'écran, tu vas voir. Nous sommes à la 3e question. Celle-ci là. Donc, donne-moi une partie de l'ordinateur extérieur de l'ordinateur. Oui. Tu m'écoutes?
Vous m'entendez?
Oui, je t'écoute, Alex. OK, ça s'entrecoupe là.
Ah oui,
OK.
c'est bon, je vous entends.
OK. Donne-moi une partie extérieure de l'ordinateur et tu me dis pourquoi c'est ta partie préférée.
L'écran, parce que quand on regarde l'écran, en fait, l'écran, ça permet de voir ce qu'on fait sur l'ordinateur.
Yes, ça permet de voir les données qu'on a dans l'ordinateur, le travail qu'on est en train de faire sur l'ordinateur. That's right. OK. Any question regarding the week 1, day 2 homework? No question? Okay. So I'm going to say it again just to make sure we are all on the same page. Today, when we finish this class at 1 o'clock, you go to Google Class, Altoz Institute Google Class, to look for week 2, day 1 quiz. That's the first assignment. Week 2, day 1 homework. That's the second assignment. Click on it, do it, and submit today. So, pour me résumer, quand nous allons finir la session d'aujourd'hui, il n'y aura pas d'excuses, OK? Dès que vous êtes dans Google, Altoz Google Class, ne regardez pas la date de la création du fichier. Regardez Week 2, Day 1, Quiz. Ça, c'est le premier devoir. Voilà le titre. Deuxième devoir, Week 2, Day 1, Homework. Ça, c'est le deuxième devoir. Vous cliquez seulement sur chaque lien et vous entrez vos réponses, vous envoyez. C'est clair? Alex, c'est clair? Alex, est-ce que c'est clair ce que tu dois faire aujourd'hui? Alex, can you hear me? Okay, good. Donc, pas d'excuses. Merci. Alors, let's go back to take a break. Y'all take a break. Take a 1 hour gone. Take about 10-minute break. Come back. Then now we start some course material. So 11:55. Come back 12:05. Prenez 10 minutes de pause. Il est 11h ou 12h55. Revenez à 12h, à 13h10. Ici au Texas, il est 11h55. Vous revenez à 12h05. Come back on break 12:05, okay? 10-minute break. Thank you.
Types of software.
Allô?
Oui, Alex?
Est-ce qu'on a le droit de commencer le devoir maintenant?
Non, non. Est-ce
Ah,
que
ok.
tu ne fais pas le devoir pendant l'école? Tu fais le devoir à la fin. Et je te dis encore,
D'accord.
quand tu vas dans Google Class, ne cherche pas la date de création de fichier. Ce n'est pas intéressant. On a écrit ça en juillet, mais c'est le même fichier qu'on utilise. Donc, tu regardes seulement les titres pour aujourd'hui, pour la semaine dernière que tu as manqué, ce qu'on vient de corriger là. Quand tu entres dans Google Class, ce qui t'intéresse, c'est regarder week 1, day 1 quiz. OK? Tu me suis? Et tu complètes cela. Let me pause the recording. All right, is Alex here? I can see Cindy, Angela, okay. What about
Look what I have.
that's good. Enjoy. Canada, are we back? Alex, Ange, Marina? Okay, I can see them back. All right, can we see the first course material? Okay. Ange, Heaven, Marina, let's go. Are they ready? All right. So, well, this is our first core material, very important one, because we will be learning what is a software and then the different type of software. pay attention very, very well, everybody, because this is the heart of IT job well paid. Software, les applications, c'est le centre des professions bien payées dans le computer et information technology. Because ceux qui développent les programmes en vendent, ceux qui peuvent faire des coding en vendent, et beaucoup de jobs, que ce soit dans le cloud ou bien, bref, pay attention to this. So, let's go. The title is Type of Software. Marina, Heaven and Ange, le titre c'est quoi? Les différents types d'applications. Donc, voilà le titre. Type of software. You write it down, type of software. First of all, you're going to define what is software, and then now break it down, like we can see on this screen. So pay attention. Let's start.
Types of software. Computer software is a set of instruction that guides the computer hardware, and tell the hardware what to do, when to do, and how to do a task.
Good. Write it down. Computer software is a program that tells the hardware that we studied already what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. It's a set of commands. Computer software is a set of commands that tells the hardware what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. Marina, Ange, vous avez suivi? L'application de l'ordinateur, c'est juste un ensemble de commandes ou d'instructions. Est-ce que je peux avoir voilà, please keep the video up so that I can see you guys. Donc, la définition de software qui signifie en français application, c'est quoi? C'est un ensemble de commandes ou d'instructions qui dit à la partie ou aux parties physiques de l'ordinateur ce qu'il faut faire, comment le faire et quand le faire. Nous sommes d'accord? Nous avons dit antérieurement que si tu as le disque dur, tu as le moniteur, etc., et tu n'as pas d'application pour faire tourner tout cela, ça ne va pas marcher. Donc, l'application en ordinateur, c'est juste un ensemble de commandes ou d'instructions. Il faut écrire, hein, en anglais surtout, ça c'est les questions pour le test de cette semaine, qui dit au computer, à l'ordinateur, ce qu'il faut faire, comment le faire et quand le faire. Nous sommes clairs? Thumbs up, so that we can move forward. Okay, good. Now, let's continue now. That's the definition of the software. Now, let's continue. Next step.
Software gives life to the computer.
Take note of this. What did he say? Software does what? Gives life. Very good. Software gives life to the computer. Donc, l'application fait quoi, Ange? L'application... Vas-y, je t'écoute.
Je n'ai pas compris.
OK. Le matériel dit software gives life to the computer. That means l'application donne vie
La vie
donne la vie
à l'ordinateur.
à l'ordinateur. So, write it down in English because ça va venir pour improve aussi ton anglais. Donc, ça revient à ce que j'ai dit tout à l'heure. Si tu as toutes les parties internes et extérieures, sans application, l'ordinateur ne sert à rien. We clear? Good. Let's go to the next step.
Without software, the computer is a dead machine. Computer software is divided into application software and system software.
Write it down. It's on the computer or it's on the screen. Thus, now we define what is software. Then now we are breaking it down into subgroup. So we have two main subgroups, application software and system software. So nous avons on a défini ce que c'est que les programmes informatiques et nous voulons maintenant les regrouper en deux sous-groupes pour mieux les comprendre et voir les variétés. Et le premier sous-groupe, c'est ce qu'on appelle les programmes pour exécuter des tâches par l'utilisateur, qu'on appelle application software, et les programmes pour commander le système de l'ordinateur. Okay? So we have two, application software and system software. We good? Thumbs up so that we can move forward. Awesome. Now, what is the difference between application software and system software? We're going to learn that now. Quelle est la différence entre les deux? C'est ce que nous allons étudier maintenant.
Application software.
Write it down.
Application software are programs that help the user perform specific tasks.
Write it down. Application software are the application that help the user. That means you, Cindy, you, Okaide, you, Ange, to execute specific tasks and underline that word, that group of words, specific task. Application software is the type of application that help you, the user, to execute specific task. Specific task is very important. So the application software is between the user, who we are, and some tasks that we want to execute. All right? Donc, Marina, ce genre de programmation, de programme, je veux dire, par rapport à l'autre qui s'occupe du système d'exploitation, qui est appelé système d'exploitation, ces applications-ci là se définissent comme quoi? Les applications qui ont pour fonction d'aider l'utilisateur de l'ordinateur à exécuter des différentes tâches. OK? Donc, quand tu entends application software pour dire les programmations pour des tâches, des tâches spécifiques, c'est ce qui t'aide, toi, l'utilisateur de l'ordinateur, à exécuter les tâches spécifiques. Et nous allons voir au fur et à mesure qu'on avance quels sont ces différents types de tâches-là. Maintenant, on continue.
Word processing software like MS.
Good. Maintenant, qu'est-ce qui suit? What's following are the example of application software. Write it down. Now, ce qui va suivre maintenant, Ange, c'est les exemples d'applications qui permettent à l'utilisateur d'exercer des tâches spécifiques. N'est-ce pas? Thumbs up for me? Quand c'est clair? Good. Donc, le premier élément, c'est quoi? C'est le Microsoft Word. Voilà le premier exemple de application software. Microsoft Word. Who knows about it? Awesome. Who else knows about Microsoft Word? Okay.
I don't get it.
Hein?
I don't get it.
Okay. Microsoft software is the first example of the group of application called application software. You get it now? Now,
It's the first
yes.
group.
Go ahead.
It's the first group that
You saw the picture earlier, right? Where we have type of application. And then you have on the left for me, or right for you, application software. Okay? And on the right, you saw system software. Now, what are the examples of application software? That is what we are studying now. The first example is what? MS Word. Okay? Which is just the software we use to execute a specific task of work. Creating a test. Creating a test. Okay? Okay. We good? Okay. So, ça c'est le premier exemple des applications qui nous permettent d'exécuter des tâches spécifiques. Le premier élément, c'est Microsoft Word, qu'on utilise pour créer des textes.
MS Word, WordPad,
and
Notepad are used to create.
That's number 3. WordPad. Let me go back. You write this down. That is the second example of application software. Okay? Good. Now, the third example is Notepad. You write it down. That's it right here. And all the three are used to create a test. That's what the presenter is going to tell us now. And you can see the example on the screen.
Are used to create documents such as letters, reports, etc.
Is that clear? They are used to create what? Document, letter, report, and so on. Now, that was the first group of application software that we use to create documents. Now, the second group of application software is what we have on the screen now. What's the name? Le deuxième groupe, ça, c'était le premier groupe sous les applications d'exécution des tâches particulières. Ça, le premier groupe, c'était des applications qui permettent de créer des documents. Et nous avons vu 3 types. Word, Note, and Pad. Maintenant, le deuxième sous-groupe des applications qui permettent d'exécuter des tâches spécifiques, c'est Database Software. C'est ça que nous allons voir maintenant. So, the second subgroup of application software is called Database Software. We clear? Thumbs up. Is Alex following? Is Alex here?
Alex isn't here.
Huh?
Isn't here.
Yeah, I can't see him. So, that is the second group of application software. We call it database software. What are the 3? We have Oracle and MS Access. Those are the 2 examples of database software, and all of them are called application software. Write it down, take note. Okay, so what is database? Database is just... Alex est parti de la pause là et il n'est pas revenu. Okay, no, just text him if you can reconnect. D'accord. Okay. Okay, he's back. He's back. So, database is just a location or where you have information. Data means information. And we use also application here to gather, use, store, use, modify, and report on those information. So, les applications de bases de données. Ça, c'est des applications de bases de données. On a deux types, Oracle et MS Access. C'est quoi les bases de données? C'est juste un rassemblement des informations pour le travail qu'on utilise pour faire des décisions. Yes, go ahead, Okadi.
I didn't catch what you said.
Okay. Database software is the second subgroup of the application software. Do you get that? Remember, the first group was the application that we use to create documents. You remember that? And we had 3 of them. Now, still has application software that will help us to execute specific tasks. The task now is to gather the information in the society, in the company, and have them somewhere that we can visit, use them for decision. And that type of task is called, an application is called database software. Now, we have 2 types of database software, Oracle, and then MS Access. Those are the examples of application software that we put under database software. Go ahead, Okade.
So basically, the database software gathers information.
Yes, it's where you gather your information. You remember? Yeah, where you gather your information. Depending, let's take an example of somebody who is working as a medical doctor or a data analysis. Let's put it that way. He is a software engineer. He's an engineer for specialized in data analysis. He will use the application called Oracle or the application called MS to collect information like the different type of consumer, people who buy the product from them, the different type of product they sell, and have those information available in one area or in one application, and that is what we call database. Okay, simply put it. At any time that he want to know how many people bought this article this week, he can go back to that set of information and have the information. Okay, so the particular task here of application software is data gathering and management. So that means you put all the data together somewhere that you can have access to it, delete, add more, and so on. Is that clear now? Okay. Okay. Now, Ange, we good? Ça va? D'accord. So, let's continue now with the application software. The third group.
Database software like Oracle, MS Access are to store data and perform some operations on the data.
So write it down. Database help us to do what? To store data and perform certain tasks on those data. So, Ange et les autres, la base de données permet tout simplement d'emmagasiner les informations. Et une fois qu'on a emmagasiné les données ou les informations, nous pouvons maintenant exécuter certaines tâches sur ces données-là. Par exemple, je veux savoir le nombre d'utilisateurs qui ont acheté le iPhone 13 au courant du mois de mai. Je vais dans cette base de données-là et j'entre des commandes pour obtenir l'information. So, database help us to store data and execute some tasks on those data.
Spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel are used to organize data in rows and columns, perform calculations, and present data in charts and graphs.
Okay. So now, after the database software, we have the spreadsheet software. That's another example of application software. You have the spreadsheet software. Here, which is another example of application software. Now, what is the role of the spreadsheet software? It's organize data in what? Row A, B, C, D, and column 1, 2, 3. Write it down because you're going to come in the test. What is the software that help us to organize data in column A, B, C, D, and row 1, 2, 3, 4? It's a spreadsheet software. An example of spreadsheet software is Excel.
So, a spreadsheet software organizes columns.
Yes, organized. You see on the screen, right? You see A, that's the first column, B, the second column, C, and so on. Then at the same time, he organized data in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember when I'm checking in you guys at the beginning, I use what? Excel sheet, right? Which is an example of spreadsheet software. And I have the name here and I have the columns. So, ça, c'est le spreadsheet software, c'est aussi un exemple de application software. Un outil qui permet d'organiser les données comment? En colonne A, B, C, D et en ligne 1, 2, 3, 4. Et ça va venir à Ocus. Donc, il faut prendre note de ça. C'est la MS Software et l'application qui permet d'organiser les données en colonnes et lignes. Après cela, ça va plus loin. Ça permet aussi de faire des calculs. OK? Ça permet de faire des calculs. Ça permet de sortir des graphiques. Ça permet de faire un rapport, de présenter les données sous forme de graphique. Okay, so let's go.
In charts and graphs. Presentation software like Microsoft PowerPoint is used to display information in the form of slides.
Good. So after the Excel, another software is the one for the presentation. Presentation software. And the example is PowerPoint. So the presentation software allows us to organize data in slides that we can use to share with public or to present it to public. All right? We good? Okay, let's go continue.
Microsoft PowerPoint is used to display information in the form of slides.
Write it down. Now, after the document software, we saw the spreadsheet software, we saw the database software, we saw the presentation software, and now we are seeing the new group of application software called what? Internet, go ahead, Cindy.
Internet browser.
Yeah, internet browser. So what are the different type of internet browser we have? That's it on the screen. Go ahead, Okaidi.
Google Chrome,
Google Chrome,
Firefox, and
Firefox, and Safari. Good.
Safari.
Yeah, Safari. Good. So, voilà les trois types, après avoir vu, voilà les trois types de Internet Browser. Et nous allons apprendre quel est le rôle de Internet Browser, OK? And on a d'abord trois types d'applications qu'on appelle Internet Browser. Ça, c'est les principaux. On a les exemples comme Google Chrome, Firefox et Safari. Et prendre note, ça va venir au texte. Maintenant, qu'est-ce que ça joue? What's the role? Let's listen.
Internet browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari are used to access the internet.
Okay. What do we use it for? Go ahead, Okadi.
Used to access the internet.
Very good. Ange, c'est clair? On utilise le Internet Browser, pourquoi? Pour accéder à l'Internet. OK? Voilà. Donc, quand tu vas dans Google et tu tapes l'adresse, par exemple, www.altozinstitute.org, ça, c'est parce que tu veux avoir accès à une page qui est sur Internet. Et maintenant, ça va t'ouvrir la page Internet de Altoz Institute et tu verras tout ce qu'il y a là-bas. Donc, voilà pourquoi c'est qu'on dit que l'Internet Browser est utilisé pour accéder à Internet, donc aux pages sur Internet. Maintenant, après le Internet Browser, nous avons fini avec la série des applications software. Maintenant, nous allons commencer le deuxième groupe des applications qu'on appelle System Software. After the Internet Browser, we have completed the list of the subgroup of application software. Now, we will study the second group of the application, which is system software. Note down, that one was application software. This one now is what? System software. So that's the second group of the software. Let's go.
System software. System software is a set of program that controls the computer hardware.
Okay, write it down. System software is a set of program that control the computer hardware. System software is a set of programs. That means you have multiple of them. And the role is what? To control the hardware that we studied last week. Okay? So if you have all these elements here that are the hardware, and you don't have system software, you cannot use them. Donc, system software, ce sont les applications qui contrôlent quoi? Les parties physiques de l'ordinateur. Les parties physiques, nous savons qu'il y en a deux, les parties internes et les parties externes. Et voilà les exemples ici de hardware que nous, on a déjà étudiés. On a déjà vu tout cela. Voilà. Maintenant, allons-y avec les détails. Qu'on a compris la définition, il faut écrire, ça va venir aussi. Let's continue with...
The system software is the platform for running the application software. System software.
So, another very important thing. The system software is a platform for running the application software. Write that down too. That is showing us the relationship between this application software and system software. The system software, l'application, le système d'exploitation est l'endroit où nous opérons, où nous utilisons les applications des tâches spécifiques qu'on a appelées application software. Les programmes de tâches spécifiques. OK? Donc, si tu as les programmes de tâches spécifiques que nous avons vus antérieurement, et tu n'as pas un système d'exploitation qu'on appelle système software, tu ne peux pas utiliser les applications de tâches spécifiques. That's what I want us to understand. Go ahead, Okari.
Can you say that one more time? I just heard the system software is for application.
Yeah, let me say it again, okay? The system software is the platform. Platform simply means the place where, you don't put it simply like that. The system software is the platform where the application software are used. Remember, we saw earlier the application software. We saw multiple of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. We studied 5 types of application software, right? Okay. Now, all of them, you cannot use them without a system software. So that means, first of all, on all on your computer, you have to install first an application, a system software, before now you install the application software. Okay? Now, system software is also divided into 2 subgroups. You remember the application software has 5 subgroups. The system software has 2 subgroups, the operating system and the utility system. So write them down. And we will see the example of operating system and utility system too. Donc, le système d'exploitation a aussi 2 groupes. OK? Le premier groupe, c'est le système d'exploitation, operating system. Et le deuxième groupe, c'est utility software. C'est-à-dire que les applications d'utilité qu'on va essayer de décomposer. Maintenant, let's continue. Take note. We will talk about operating system examples, and later on, talk about utility system example.
There are operating system and utility software.
We write it down, right? We good? If I say, what are the 2 types of system software? What will be the answer? Go ahead, Cindy.
The operating system and the utility system software.
Yeah, utility software. Good. Let's go.
Operating system.
So write it down. Anything that follow now goes under operating system. Donc, tout ce qui va suivre maintenant sera des exemples de système d'exploitation. Write it down in English. Oda, Marina, and Heaven. Operating system. That's what we're going to study now. If I ask an example, pay attention here in the quiz.
Operating system is a software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer system.
Okay, so operating system serves as interface between the user and the computer system. That's right here. Let me just reverse a little bit. There you go. The operating system, what does that mean? It simply means it is between the hardware and you, the user. So when you have it installed, you want to use a particular application software, you want to install it on it, and it will help you to use that application software on the hardware. Now, what are the examples of operating system? Those are the examples here. Write it down before we let it go. Operating system for desktop and laptop. That's the first subgroup. Write it down. You have the Microsoft Windows, you have the Linux, and you have the Mac OS. Those are the 3 examples of operating system for either the laptop or the desktop. So, les 3 exemples de système d'exploitation que nous avons dans l'ordinateur, c'est quoi? C'est le Windows, Microsoft Windows, c'est le Linux et le Mac OS. Et nous allons voir les différentes maisons de production tout de suite. We good? Thumbs up so that we continue. Okay,
No.
go ahead. Okay, go ahead, Okadi. That's the key feature for today, okay?
Something happened to the screen.
Oh, I changed it. I'm sorry. We good? We back now? On suit? C'est bon? Yeah, il y a beaucoup de connaissances ici, là. Mais ça, c'est le matériel principal pour aujourd'hui. Dès qu'on finit cela, on sera bien structuré. Quand on te parle de tout cela, tu vas comprendre davantage. When you got finished, okay, good. So let's continue now. Who make Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac OS? Listen.
Linux, Mac OS. Microsoft Windows is a very popular operating system created by Microsoft.
It's Microsoft who created Microsoft Windows, right? So the name of the application is the name of the company.
The founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates. There are different versions of Microsoft Windows. Mac OS is an operating system created by Apple.
Okay. Mac OS is created by who? Apple. Good. Mac OS, c'est pour qui? C'est pour les ordinateurs fabriqués par Apple. Alors que Microsoft Windows, système d'exploitation, c'est pour les ordinateurs fabriqués par Microsoft Company.
The founder of Apple is Steve Jobs, and Steve Wozniak. Mac OS can run on all Macintosh computers. Linux is a free operating system that can be downloaded from the internet.
Okay. Linux is what? It's a free operating system that can be downloaded from internet. Write it down. Linux is a free operating system that can be downloaded from the internet. So Linux, c'est un système d'exploitation ouvert, donc qui est disponible sur internet. Tu n'as pas besoin d'acheter. Et tu peux le télécharger et le modeler en fonction de ce que tu veux. Alors que les deux autres, Microsoft ou Mac OS, c'est pour Microsoft Company ou Apple Company. Tu dois les acheter chez eux. Alors que celui-ci, tu peux l'avoir en téléchargeant sur Internet.
It was developed by Linus Torvalds. Operating systems for mobile devices are Android and Apple iOS.
Good. Write it down too. Now we have the first group of operating system that was for what? For laptop and desktop, right? That's the first group of operating system we saw. We have three of them. The Microsoft, the Mac OS, and Linux. Maintenant, ici, nous avons un autre sous-groupe de systèmes d'exploitation qui est pour les appareils mobiles. Le téléphone que tu as en main, tu as Android et Apple. C'est ça, le iPad, voilà les appareils mobiles. OK? Ils ont aussi leur système d'exploitation. Ce n'est pas le même système d'exploitation qu'on utilise pour les ordinateurs portatifs ou de table. Mais c'est plutôt Android pour les téléphones Android et Apple iOS pour les téléphones Apple. So now here we have the second subgroup of operating system, and that is called for mobile devices. Example of mobile devices, our phone, and we have two types, Android and Apple OS. Android is for Android phone, and Apple iOS is for the mobile device made by Apple company. We good? Thumbs up? All right. So let's continue.
This is our Android and Apple iOS. Android is the most common mobile operating system used for mobile phone and tablets. iOS is used on iPhone and iPad. Utility software.
That's your last group. Write it down. Utility software, which is a subgroup of system software. Write it down. We have how many tabs of utility software on the screen? How many tabs? Unmute and answer. Go ahead, Okadi.
4.
4. What are they? You all write it down. Analysis. Maintenance. Configuration. And optimization. Ça va? Ange? Thumbs up for me. Okay, Alex. Good. Good. Thumbs up. Okay, good. Ange, thumbs up. Marina, thumbs up. Okay, good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 types of utility software. And let's see what they use them, each of them for.
Utility software is a software used to analyze, configure, optimize and maintain the computer.
Okay, write it down. Utility software, just write it as it said, are the software that we use, 1, to analyze the computer. That means we check for viruses, spaces, and so on. 2, to maintain the computer. Delete some old file, add new file, new program, and so on. 3, function of utility software. We use it to optimize. Optimize means, let's say maybe for the hard drive, we don't use that too much resources for that, or on the computer, we don't use just too less resources. Optimize, just make it be not too much use or not too less use. Optimize. Now, configure is to set it up. So we use utility software to configure the computer, to set it up, to plan things in the computer. So,
example of utility software are antivirus.
Example of utility software, please write this down. Going to come in the test. Voici les exemples de utility software. Nous avons vu les 4 fonctions de l'utility de software. Maintenant, on va nous donner des exemples concrets d'applications qu'on appelle utility software sur la base du travail qui nous permet d'accomplir sur l'ordinateur. So, the first one is McAfee antivirus. That's to analyze the system. So, le premier élément, c'est l'antivirus called McAfee. Il y en a plusieurs, Norton, and so on. Et c'est ça qui permet d'analyser le computer pour voir s'il n'y a pas de virus. S'il y en a, il tue et protège ta machine. Deuxième, utility software, c'est le backup software. Donc, qui permettent de créer des copies de tes informations que tu as sur le computer. The backup software help you to create the copies or to save the second copies of your file documents that you have on your computer. so that if the computer crashes, let's say your hard drive crashes or your SSD crashes, you still have your information saved somewhere. That's the backup. Then we have the disk compression tools. You see, the disk compression is just still to reduce the size of the documents that you have on your computer, so that you will have more space on your computer or a hard drive or SSD. So you have the disk compression tools. That means you use it to reduce the size of the files and have more space on your hard drive or SSD. Donc, antivirus, tu analyses ton ordinateur avec quand tu l'installes pour t'assurer qu'il n'y a pas un programme qui est un virus qui va te détruire l'ordinateur. Backup software, tu sauvegardes tes données dans un autre endroit, de sorte que si ton disque dur tombe en panne, tu as tes données quelque part. Maintenant, Disk Compression Tool, ça c'est pour comprimer, donc réduire la taille de tes fichiers sur ton endroit de store où tu les as gardés, de sorte que tu peux encore ajouter plus. Maintenant, the file manager, we see this when you open your computer, you have all this, tu vois tous ces fichiers. C'est là où tu arranges les documents Word, Excel, PowerPoint que tu crées.
Monsieur,
oui, Alex?
C'est que je vois pas le dernier fil. Je vois pas bien le dernier.
Yeah, File Manager. F-I-L-E. C'est parce que j'ai posé la vidéo. File Manager. F-I-L-E. Then Manager. M-A-N.
D'accord. Bon, merci.
Okay. So, let's continue.
Software, backup software, disk compression tool, file manager. Now, let's see the summary of what we have learned.
Okay, so that's the end, right? Now, picture talking. This is what we just learned now. Sous forme de dessin, de schéma, voilà ce que nous venons de lire, d'étudier. On a étudié les applications pour l'ordinateur, computer software. Et maintenant, ces applications sont divisées en deux groupes. Les applications des tâches spécifiques, application software, et les systèmes d'exploitation, system software. Now, here, tu as des exemples des applications de tâches spécifiques. On a ça pour la présentation PowerPoint. On a ça pour l'Internet. Ça, pour la présentation PowerPoint, pour Internet, also, et ici, pour la création des documents, et ça, pour les emails, pour les courriers. Then now, we come over here, you have the system software divided into two. Operating software for laptop and desktop, and then utilities and operating software for mobile devices. And utility software has a subgroup of system software. And we have the example of McAfee, which is analyzing and the file and the compression, file management and the compression. Any question?
And computer software is a set of instruction that guides the computer hardware. Computer software is divided into application software and system software. Application software are programs that help the user perform specific tasks. System software is a set of program that controls the computer hardware. System software provides the platform for running the application software. System software are divided into operating system software and utility software. Question time. Drop the following in the correct circle. You have 15 seconds to
open your mic and answer. Open your mic, everybody. This is a quick test on this one. Everybody open the microphone so that you can answer. Ready? Good. Alex, open your mic. Okay, open your microphone. Time to test the knowledge. So drop the following in the correct cycle. Which of these is the application software and system software? Okay, I saw your hand first. Go. Make it fast so that we can close.
System software.
Yeah, Windows, Android, File Manager, Internet Browser, Excel, Linux, MS, Java, McAfee. Which one goes where?
Can I say the
Yeah,
answer?
hold on, Alex. I gave the floor to Okadi. After Okadi, Alex. Okadi, go.
The Linux goes to the application software.
Is that right? Linux go to application software.
No, system software.
Good. System software. Very good. Alex, go ahead.
The application software. I choose Google Chrome.
Yes. Is that true? True or false? True, right? The application software because Google Chrome helps us to access internet. Next, Ange. Prends un exemple ici. L'exercice consiste à choisir un élément de ce côté et le classer ici là. Est-ce que cet élément-là est appelé application software ou bien system software? Go ahead. Vas-y.
Le Android, lui, va aller dans le système software.
Very good. Android va dans le système software pour les mobile devices. Next. Marina? Go ahead. Prends un exemple ici et tu le classes ici. Est-ce que c'est un système software ou application software?
Application software.
Which one?
Windows.
Windows is think twice. Think twice. Windows is what? Application or subsystem? System software. Good. Ange. No, ok, Marina. Ange a déjà dit. Marina, prends un exemple ici, tu classes. Tu choisis lequel?
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. Va où? Va où?
Application.
Very good. Thank you. Last one now, so that we move forward. Angela? Go ahead. Pick one and classify.
File manager.
Huh?
File manager.
Yeah, go ahead.
System software.
System software. Good. Then go ahead. Your hand is on. Go ahead for the last one. Wait, go ahead. Vas-y.
Mac AC.
Oui, McAfee.
Software.
System software, yeah. McAfee, is it system or application software?
System software.
Okay, system software. True or false? Good. It's a system software. True. Okay. Now, next question. That's good, guys.
To complete.
All right, that was good, huh? Now let's do the last one. That's what we have to study today. We can now, if you say what is software, you got go ahead, question.
C'est que j'ai déjà fait le devoir.
Yes.
Matin.
Yes. Après ça,
Est-ce que tu peux le refaire? Est-ce que tu peux réinitialiser pour que je le refasse? Parce que je n'avais pas compris, donc j'allais faire les recherches.
Yeah, refais, tu repostes, tu mets, ça va me signaler la date que tu as postée et puis je vais corriger. Yeah, faites le rattrapage, mais ça va te faire 3 devoirs. Alex, 3 devoirs. Bon, maintenant, let us quickly talk about what you guys have today as homework. Hold on here. What am I doing? move from this. Hopefully that's the one I want. No, not this one. We talked about this one already. Let me see here. Let me look for week 2. Week 2, the one quiz. Week 2. Okay, let me share this. Okay. Okay, I prefer this way. Now, pay attention, everybody. Even if it shows summer class, but it's the same material. When you go to Google Classroom, you are looking for week 2. That's it right here. Day 1, quiz and homework. But in the system over there, it will be separated because there are 2 assignments. But what you are looking for will be week 2, day 1 quiz. Then after that, you look for week 2, day 1 homework. And I open them here now. I need to share it too. Let me quickly share it. It's still showing this one here. Okay, yeah. So this is the homework you're going to do. I mean, the first assignment for today. Week 2, day 1 quiz. That's what we do. Computer software is, everybody can answer it today. Quiz 2, computer doesn't need a software. Everybody can answer it today. Am I right? Okay, good. Then, 2 main types of computer software. Select application software, system software, Microsoft Suite Pack. The example. Then those is this Q7, Q8 Outlook. We didn't talk about it, but it's still part of application software from Microsoft. That helps for messaging, email, but it's not complicated. Then a computer programmer is the person who writes the code. So that's it right here. That one we didn't talk about it, but simply it's the person who writes the code. And the code is the line of instruction that the computer, like we hear in there, software, which is the code, is just a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do, the software what to do, where to do, right? So we're good. That's the first assignment. When you go to Google Class, week 2, day 1 quiz. That's the first assignment. Then you move from there to the second assignment, week 2, day 1 homework. That will be the second one. It's already placed in the Google Class. You will see it without any problem. So it has also 3 questions. Name the 5 application computer software that you learned today. Then name the 5 system computer that you learned today. Between all those, give me 1 application software that you learned. 3 questions as usual from what we learned today. Any question? Une question? So, Ange, quand tu entres dans Alex, quand tu entres dans Google Class aujourd'hui, qu'est-ce que tu vas rechercher comme devoir? Alex?
Pardon?
Quand tu vas aller dans Google Class tout à l'heure, après la fin du cours, qu'est-ce que tu vas rechercher là-bas comme devoir, les 2 devoirs à faire pour aujourd'hui?
Ben, je vais chercher le week 2, day 1 homework et week 2, day 1 quiz.
Okay, good job. We need a clap for you right there. That's right. All right. So everybody is on the same page. So that's it for today. And before we leave, give me 1 example of application software. Angela? That's the last one we go.
Microsoft Word.
Microsoft Word. Marina, give me one example of system software. An example of the system software. Marina?
Android.
Android, good. And Okadi? Utility software. Role. What do we use an utility software for?
Maintaining, analyzing, and maintain, analyze, configure, and optimize.
Very good. Last question. Alex, what is the Safari is? What type of Safari application is Safari?
Safari is is it's internet browser.
Very good. Very good. Ali, if no question, thank you guys. That's all what we have for today. And I think we all appreciate it, right? You have more knowledge now. Thank you. Go do the homework. If you missed one last week, please do it everything and submit today, okay? Because tomorrow we will have the second day and it will come with his honor homework, okay? Any question? If no question, we should be good to go. If no question, any question? Okay, I stop sharing and that's the end of this session.